Hi there. I don't think we've met before. I'm Alex.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Maya.
Nice to meet you too. Are you new here?
Yes, I just transferred to this school a couple of weeks ago. It's been a bit overwhelming, but I'm getting used to it. How about you? Have you been here long?
Oh, yeah, I've been here since the start of the school year. It's pretty cool once you get the hang of things. What do you think of it so far?
Well, it's nice. Everyone seems friendly, but I'm still trying to find my way around. The campus is quite big.
Yeah, it can be confusing at first. I remember getting lost all the time when I first started here. If you need help finding your classes or anything, just let me know.
That would be great. Thanks for offering. By the way, what grade are you in?
I'm in 10th grade. How about you?
Oh, I'm in 11th grade. So you're a year younger than me.
Ha ha ha, yep. But age doesn't matter much in high school, right? We all have to deal with the same subjects and exams.
Totally agree. Speaking of subjects, what's your favorite class?
I'd say science, especially biology. There's something fascinating about learning how living things work and interact with each other. What about you?
That's interesting. For me, it's literature. I love reading different stories and discussing them in class. There's always something new to discover.
Literature sounds fun too. Do you have a favorite book or author?
Oh, that's a tough one. If I had to choose, I'd say J.K. Rowling because of Harry Potter and Jane Austen, because her stories are so timeless. What about you? Any favorite authors or books?
Definitely Rick Riordan. His books are full of adventure and mythology. I can't get enough of them.
Oh wow, I've heard of Rick Riordan but haven't read any of his books yet. Maybe you can recommend one for me?
Sure thing, you should start with Percy Jackson and the Olympians. It's an amazing series if you're into Greek mythology and action packed adventures.
Sounds like something I'd enjoy. Thanks for the recommendation. I'll definitely check it out.
No problem. So, besides reading and literature, do you have any hobbies outside of school?
Yeah, I love painting and drawing in my free time. It helps me relax after a long day. What about you?
That's awesome. You must be really creative. For me, it's soccer. I play with my friends after school whenever we get the chance.
Soccer sounds exciting. Do you play on a team or just for fun?
Actually, both. I'm on the school team, so we have practice 3 times a week. But when I'm not practicing with them, I play with my friends for fun.
That sounds like a lot of fun and good exercise too. Have you played soccer for a long time?
Yeah, pretty much since I was a kid. My older brother got me into it when he joined his school team years ago.
That's cool. Does your brother still play soccer?
Not anymore. He's in college now and doesn't have much time for sports. But he still watches games whenever he can.
Oh, nice. Do you watch soccer games too? Do you have a favorite team?
Of course, my favorite team is Manchester United. I've been following them for years now.
Manchester United? That's awesome. My dad loves watching the matches too. He's always talking about the players and strategies.
Ha ha ha. Sounds like your dad knows his soccer stuff. Do you ever watch game with him?
Sometimes, though honestly, I don't understand all the rules yet, but it's fun to cheer along anyway.
Don't worry. The rules can be confusing at first. If you ever want someone to explain them to you, let me know.
Thanks for offering. I might take you up on that someday.
So, what else do you like to do in your free time besides painting and reading?
Well, I also enjoy listening to music. It's a big part of my life. I love discovering new artists and genres. How about you? Do you listen to music?
Absolutely. Music is a huge part of my daily routine. I listen to everything from rock to pop. Lately, I've been really into alternative rock bands.
That's cool. Any favorite bands or songs?
I really like Arctic Monkeys and Imagine Dragons. Their songs are just so catchy. What about you? What's your favorite genre?
I'm more into indie pop and acoustic music. Artists like Ed Sheeran and Hozier are some of my favorites. Their lyrics are so meaningful.
Ed Sheeran is great. Shape of You is such a catchy song. Have you been to any concerts?
Yes, I went to an Ed Sheeran concert last summer and it was amazing. The energy in the crowd was electric. Have you been to any concerts?
That sounds incredible. I've been to a few local concerts, but nothing as big as that. I went to see a local band last month and they were really good.
Local bands can be surprisingly talented. It's great to support them too. Do you play any instruments yourself?
I play the guitar a little bit, just enough to strum some chords and play along with my favorite songs. How about you? Do you play any instruments?
I used to play the piano when I was younger, but I haven't practiced in a while. I'd love to get back into it someday.
You should. Playing an instrument is such a rewarding skill. It can be really relaxing too.
Speaking of relaxation, do you have any favorite ways to unwind after a long day?
Definitely. After school, I usually go for a run or kick around a soccer ball with friends. It helps clear my mind. What about you?
For me, it's usually curling up with a good book or painting something new. It's nice to escape into another world for a bit.
That sounds lovely. What book are you currently reading?
Right now, I'm reading Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen for my literature class. It's such a classic.
That's a great choice. Austen has such a unique way of capturing social dynamics and relationships.
Exactly. The characters are so well developed and the humor is timeless. Do you read classics too?
Sometimes I've read To Kill a Mockingbird and 1984. They were both really impactful reads.
Those are excellent choices. To Kill a Mockingbird has such powerful themes about justice and morality.
So, do you have any plans for the upcoming weekend?
Not yet, I'm still figuring out what to do. Maybe hang out with some friends or catch up on reading. How about you?
I'm planning to go watch my friend's soccer game on Saturday. He plays for our school team too.
That sounds fun. Is he good at soccer?
Yeah, he's one of the star players on the team. It should be an exciting match.
Nice. Maybe I'll come watch too if I have time. It would be fun to see how your team plays.
You should definitely come. The more support we have, the better we play.
By the way, have you ever thought about what you want to do after high school?
Yeah, I've been thinking about it quite a bit lately. I'm considering studying biology in college because of my interest in science.
That sounds like a solid plan. Do you want to work in research or something related?
Ideally, I'd love to work in environmental science or conservation, something that helps protect nature.
Wow, that's admirable. We need more people focused on protecting our environment these days.
Thanks. What about you? Do you have any career aspirations after high school?
Well, I'm thinking about pursuing literature or creative writing in college. I'd love to become an author someday.
That's awesome. Writing can be such an impactful way to express ideas and tell stories.
Exactly. There are so many stories waiting to be told, whether fiction or non-fiction.
Have you ever thought about what kind of books you want to write?
Yes, I'm really interested in writing young adult fiction, stories that resonate with teenagers and explore real-life issues.
That sounds perfect for your age group since they often look for relatable characters and situations.
So, what do you think is the most important quality in a friend?
That's tough, but probably honesty. A true friend should be able to tell you the truth even when it's hard.
Absolutely. Honesty builds trust, which is essential in any relationship.
What about loyalty? Do you think it's important in friendships too?
Definitely. A loyal friend stands by your side through thick and thin. That kind of support means everything.
Are you planning to eat here today?
Yeah, I think so. They have pizza today. It's one of my favorites.
Pizza sounds good. What toppings do you like?
Classic pepperoni is my go to choice, but sometimes I mix it up with mushrooms or veggies.
Nice choice. I usually prefer veggie pizza. It feels healthier.
So, aside from pizza, what other foods do you enjoy?
Oh man, there are so many. I love pasta dishes, especially creamy Alfredo sauce.
Yum! Pasta is great too. It's so versatile. You can make it with anything.
Exactly. And dessert. Don't get me started on desserts.
What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake all the way. There's just something magical about it.
Great choice. Chocolate cake is hard to beat, especially with ice cream.
Yes, ice cream makes everything better.
So, do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have an older brother who's in college now. He used to play soccer too when he was in high school.
Nice. Are you close with him?
Yeah, we get along pretty well. He gives me advice on school stuff sometimes too.
That's great. It helps having someone who understands what you're going through.
What about your parents? Are they supportive of your interests?
For sure, they've always encouraged me to pursue what I love, whether it's sports or academics.
That's wonderful. My parents are super supportive as well. They always motivate me when I'm feeling down about schoolwork or anything else.
It makes such a difference having that support system behind us. It gives us confidence.
Absolutely. And it helps us stay grounded during tough times too.
So, Alex, if you could travel anywhere in the world right now, where would it be?
Hmm, probably Japan. I've always wanted to experience its culture and food firsthand, plus visit all those beautiful temples.
Japan sounds amazing. The cherry blossoms must be breathtaking in springtime.
For sure. And there's so much history there too. I'd love to explore Kyoto.
Have you ever traveled outside your country before?
Nope, not yet. But it's definitely on my bucket list.
Same here. I've only been within my country so far.
If we ever get the chance, we should plan a trip together.
That would be epic. Imagine all the adventures we could have.
We could try different foods from each place we visit.
Yes, we need those memories captured forever.
Oh no, it looks like we need to hurry back before class starts.
Let's go then.
It was really nice getting to know you today.
Thanks for chatting with me. It made my day much better.
Let's definitely hang out again soon. I'd love to continue our conversation.
For sure, I'll text you later this week so we can plan something.
Sounds perfect.
See you later then.
Bye. Take care.